The Lion and Goat. A short moral story. In a lush forest, a lion stumbled upon a goat drinking by a stream. Though the lion was hungry, the goat greeted him with calm courage. "Why do you not flee?" asked the lion. "You may be stronger, but fear weakens the mind." "I trust you to choose honor over hunger," the goat replied. The lion, impressed by the goat's wisdom, spared him. They became unlikely friends, teaching others that strength is not just muscle but character. Moral: true strength lies in wisdom and restraint, not just physical power. Courage and respect can bridge even the widest gaps. Thank you for watching.